Hey y'all, I am here to show you a cute Valentine's Day book that I created and that I am going to be selling pre-made kits for. So this is an album using our Perfect Match collection that is now available on my website, scrapwithamber.closemyheart.com. So if you'd like to get this collection to make cards or scrapbook pages, definitely head on over there. I'll leave a link in the description below. But if you want to create one of these books and you would like a pre-cut kit, just send me either write a comment down below, or you can send me an email at scrapwithamberhartle@gmail.com and we can get one ordered for you. So it's really cute. It is 8 inches tall and about 6 inches wide, just a little bit wider, and it does have a magnetic close, so it is going to grab and close. And when you open it, it opens like this. There is a beautiful spot right here where you can write a poem, a love letter, whatever have you. And then there are photo spots. And then you open up again. There's another photo spot here. Open up again. Happy Heart Day. And then it opens up here. I'm going to slide this down because this is going to flip up. And you have a photo here. Just slide that back up. There's more spots right here. And then slide it down again. There's another spot right here. And then this back is a pocket that has a couple of tags in there. How cute. This is like a big card you can give somebody for Valentine's Day with lots of different interactions. So again, if you are interested, the price of this is $30 plus shipping. So depending on where you are and how much shipping is for me to ship it to you, that will determine your shipping. And I'm in Utah, so that makes a difference, if that makes a difference for you. And like I said, everything's pre-cut, pre-scored. There'll be emailed instructions and photos on how to put it together, and then I will ship you all the pieces and you will be able to put that together. So if you are interested, again, you can leave a comment down below, or you can email me at scrapwithamberhartle@gmail.com. So thank you for watching. This is just a quick little video. I hope you enjoyed this cute little book. It was fun to make and create. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Oh, I should probably say, orders should go through, let's close it off on January 22nd. So January 22nd, 2021 is the last day I'll be taking orders for this, just so that I can get the product, get it cut, and get it sent to you before Valentine's Day and you have enough time to put it together. If you would like a finished project and you just want me to send you a book all done, it is going to be $45 plus shipping. So there's that option as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.